Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Companion, the podcast where we help you speak English with confidence, one step at a time. I'm Eliza, and I'm so excited to begin this 10-day English shadowing challenge with you. If you've ever thought, I understand English, but I can't speak it. I know words, but I forget them while talking. I feel nervous when speaking English. Then this series is for you. Today, we're starting with something powerful, simple, and used by language learners all over the world. It's called English shadowing. By the end of this episode, you'll know what shadowing is, why it works, how to practice it correctly, and you'll do your first shadowing exercise with me. So grab your headphones, relax, and let's begin. What is shadowing? Imagine you're walking behind someone and copying every step they take. That's exactly what shadowing is. In English shadowing, you listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say immediately. You don't wait. You don't translate. You simply listen and repeat. Like a shadow follows a person. You follow the speaker. For example, speaker, how are you today? You immediately say, how are you today? That's shadowing. Simple, but incredibly effective. Why is shadowing so powerful? Many English learners spend years studying grammar. They memorize vocabulary. They complete exercises. Yet when it's time to speak, they freeze. Why? Because speaking is a skill, and skills improve through practice. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. You don't learn by reading about bicycles. You learn by riding one. Speaking English works the same way. Shadowing trains your brain to listen faster, understand natural English, improve pronunciation, speak more smoothly, build confidence, and the best part? You don't need a teacher beside you. You can practice anywhere. My story. When I started improving my English speaking skills, I made a common mistake. I focused only on grammar. I knew many rules. I knew many words. But speaking felt difficult. Then I discovered shadowing. Instead of studying English, I started speaking English every day. Just 10 minutes of shadowing daily made a huge difference. My pronunciation improved. My confidence grew. And speaking became more natural. That's why I'm sharing this method with you. The 3 golden rules of shadowing. Before we practice, remember these 3 rules. Rule 1. Listen first. Don't speak immediately. Listen carefully. Pay attention to pronunciation and rhythm. English is like music. Every sentence has a flow. Rule 2. Repeat immediately. Don't translate into your native language. Just repeat. Trust your brain. The goal is speaking naturally. Rule 3. Practice daily. 10 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Consistency creates fluency. Let's try our first shadowing exercise. Are you ready? Listen and repeat after me. Don't worry about mistakes. Just follow along. Sentence 1. Eliza, good morning. Repeat. Good morning. Excellent. Sentence 2. How are you today? Again. How are you today? Very good. Sentence 3. I am happy to learn English. One more time. I am happy to learn English. Great job. Sentence 4. Every day, I improve a little. Again. Every day, I improve a little. Wonderful. Sentence 5. I can speak English confidently. Repeat. I can speak English confidently. Amazing. Why repetition matters. Some learners think, I already know these sentences. But shadowing is not about learning new words. It's about training your speaking muscles. Athletes practice basic movements every day. Musicians practice scales every day. And English speakers practice speaking every day. Repetition creates fluency. A small challenge for you. After this episode ends, Stand in front of a mirror. Say these 5 sentences 3 times. Speak clearly. Smile. And imagine you're talking to a friend. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. Common mistakes beginners make. Let's avoid 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1. Speaking too fast.
Slow down.
Clear English is better than fast English. Mistake 2. Being afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent speaker once made mistakes. Mistake 3. Giving up too soon. Real improvement takes time. Trust the process. Keep going. Your daily motivation. Let me tell you something important. You don't need perfect grammar to start speaking. You don't need a perfect accent. You don't need thousands of vocabulary words. You simply need courage. 1 sentence today. 2 sentences tomorrow. A conversation next month. And before you know it, you'll be speaking confidently. Today's homework. Practice these sentences 5 times. 1. Good morning. 2. How are you today? 3. I am happy to learn English. 4. Every day I improve a little. 5. I can speak English confidently. Record your voice. Listen to yourself. And repeat. And that's it for episode 1 of our 10-day English shadowing challenge. Today, you learned what shadowing is, why it works, and how to start practicing. Tomorrow, we'll learn how to shadow correctly using real-life English conversations. Until then, keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember, every day you practice English, you become a better English speaker. I'm Eliza, and this is English Companion. See you in episode 2.